Insistence on transparency and accountability as core values has emboldened us to strive for provision of public services that are accessible, cost-efficient, and responsive to the needs of all. I am saying that the Constitution has guided us towards inclusivity. That is why we keep reminding ourselves that in whatever we do, no one should be left behind. For the judiciary to further enhance its services to uphold justice, there will be need as a priority to look at the following. 1, for timely resolution of cases, streamlining court processes, reducing case backlogs, and ensuring efficient administration of justice. Removing cobwebs that hinder transparency and accountability in judicial proceedings. Rapid integration of technology in processes to improve court operations, as we have seen through the e-filing and virtual hearing. On should not is because that is the conditionality the Constitution demands of us.
We are putting in place a system of ensuring that there is dignified exit of everybody who serve Kenyans in the judiciary. And we hope the rest of the government will follow suit, because days are gone when people serve and then they are chased away as if they are dirty dogs.
Now,